Okay, I just got the pasta boat as seen on TV and shipped to me. Now I'm going to open it up and let's check it out. I got this online with shipping for about $13. There's the pasta boat. Doesn't look like anything else is in there. So here we go, pasta boat. Let's see here, free bonus steamer rack included and a recipe book. Let me open this up real quick. Piece of cardboard, and nothing else is in there. Everything's in a bag. Slide the bag off, and here we go. Let's see, we got some instructions, and here's the recipe book. So I've got some little recipes in here. Pasta boat, franken beans, steamed shrimp, spinach risotto, all kinds of crazy stuff in here. Steamed artichokes, pasta boat chili cheese dip, corn on the cob, that's interesting. Easy family breakfast scramble, so I'll be checking that out. And let's see what we got inside here. This slides off real easy, and this is the steamer. Just sits right there on the bottom. I don't know if I'll be steaming a lot of stuff. I mainly got this for pasta. And this thing is pretty big. It looks like it's got some lines here, probably for cups of water. I can't really read it. It says 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's see what it says on the bottom here. For microwave oven only. Telebrands.com microwave pasta boat, dishwasher safe, top rack. So I guess we're going to put the pasta in this, slide this on, close this, and put it in the microwave. So